Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. So we're just going to do some unary arithmetic operators today. Very simple basic stuff. So we're going to create a subroutine called math1. Okay, so this is my little subroutine here. I'm going to create a variable, so that's going to be a, and I'm going to assign it to 10. Okay, and then we're going to do scalar a is equal to scalar a plus 1, and then we're going to print it. So this is going to be print. And it's going to be scalar a, new line character, and let's check out what the result is. So math1. Okay, let's just save that. Okay, so that's 11. So we've got 10 plus 1 is 11. Right, so we're going to do a little bit of a shorter version of that, make it more concise. So basically, if we want to do the same thing and make it a little bit shorter, we just do plus plus and that. So let's just run it. There we go, we get the same result, and this is shorter. Okay, so we're going to go on to number 2 now. Number 3, so that was number 1, this is number 2, and we're going to do, let's say, number 3. This is the third example here. So I'm just going to do it from scratch here. So sub math 3. And again, my scalar a, the variable, I'm going to assign it this time to a value of 20. Okay, so we're going to do scalar a, and we're going to do this plus, and this equals scalar a plus 1. Okay, and then we're going to print scalar a, and the new line there, we'll just call it math 3. Okay, let's just save that, run it. So there we go, we've got 41, so that's another way of incrementing. Okay, we're going to do another example here. Let me just get rid of that for you. We're going to do some operators. So I'm going to call this sub operators. Creating a subroutine here. Create some. Let me just neaten that up a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to say my scalar a is equal to 10. Let's have a look. My scalar b is equal to 10. My scalar, sorry, that should have been my scalar b. Sorry about that. My scalar b, my scalar c. Assign it to 10. Okay, so we're going to do scalar a is equal to scalar a, and that's going to be minus 1 here, and then we're going to print scalar a. A new line character. Okay, Then we're going to do another one. We're going to do scalar b is equal to scalar b multiplied by 2. Okay, and then we're going to print scalar b. It's going to be scalar b okay, and then we're going to do scalar c is equal to scalar c divided by 2, and we're going to print scalar c in a new line character. Okay, we'll just call the program operations. Okay, just going to save that, call it. Okay, undefined subroutine practice line 16. Oh dear, okay, I see what I've done wrong. Should be operators, not operations. Okay, that should do it. Let's run it. Okay, so there we go. So the first one we've got 9. It's 10 minus 1, 9. And then we've got 2, 20, and then we've got 5. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.